Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of September 7th through the 13th. It's so great to have you all here today. And today I'm actually going to start really quick with a baby planner Kate haul. I just did a small order and got that in the mail this week, and so I thought I'd show you what I got. Let me move my planner out of the way. Okay, so this is what I got. So as I've talked about before, I tend to do my planner Kate orders with my friend so that we can share shipping because we are cheap. And that's just, I don't know, we just do that with a lot of things. We share our shipping for a lot of things. So that's why I only have 3 samplers because she took the other 2. So I got this sampler here. I also got this one. These are the thin boxes. And then I got a planner Kate label. And then I got this quote sheet. It says, "I'm already tired tomorrow." When we were going through our order, I actually forgot I had gotten these. And I was like, oh yeah, these are great. And then in my Misfit bag, I got mini kit 210. And so I decided to get some add-ons. What I had gotten in my Misfit bag was a big washi sheet. And so I decided to get these so that I can kind of make a kit out of it. I also love that the boxes here are black, so I can actually use these with other kits, and I love that. And then I got these cute neutral little bow boxes. She had just put them on her site last week, and I was like, I need these. They're really small though. So now I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for, but they're cute. So we're going to make it happen. And then I got this kit, and I'm so bummed because I got it and then realized I didn't get the thin washi add-on that I always get with my kits. So I'm so bummed because this kit is so dang cute, and I forgot the dang thin washi. Shoot, but this is mini kit 247. And then I also got kit 255. I also got the strip headers, and I got the thin washi with it. And I really like this kit. It's so pretty, very fall. I'm going to use it for November, in some week in November. I'm not sure which one. And then I got another one because my Instagram is almost at 200 followers. And so once I reach 200 followers, I'm going to do a giveaway, and this is going to be part of it. I have a few other things I'm going to put in that giveaway as well. So once I reach 200 followers, I'm going to do a fun giveaway, and this kit will be one of the items in it. And then I got this kit here. This is kit 165. And I had gotten in one of my Misfit bags this small sidebar add-on. And I was like, well, that's stinking cute. I mean, look at that. So that's going to be another kit I'm going to use in November. And so I got this to kind of add to it so that I can use it. So that was my Planner Kate order. So now let's get going to planning. So this week, I'm going to use mini kit 253. I got the sampler sheet. Look how pretty this is. Y'all know I love purple. So I got the sampler. I got the mini washi. I've got the strip headers. And I got the patterned labels. Because this is a purple kit. So I had to get all of the things. So this week is actually a pretty busy week for me. So I'm thinking that's why I chose this week to use it, because I have so many things going on, so I'll more than likely actually use all of these. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to do my outline and the weather. I'm not going to talk through it this week like I did last week because I don't need this video to be crazy long like last week's video was. So I'm going to do my outline real quick, and then I will be right back. Voila. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love when I go extra with my kits and get the strip headers and stuff. Like, ooh, doesn't this look so nice? I'm so excited to see the finished product. Okay, so lots going on this week. So we're just gonna... Actually, let me show you guys this current week we've got going here. And I actually haven't added much to it. We haven't really done too crazy much. We got back into the swing of school on Thursday and Friday. That was That was really difficult, actually. It was really hard for him. It was really overwhelming for me, like trying to get him caught back up after he missed. He only missed 4 days, but it just completely got us super far behind, and he had to do a bunch of assignments to catch up. And so that was really difficult. I had my blood test on Wednesday, and my HCG levels are back to normal. And I actually have my dates for my next transfer already ready to go. So it's really exciting, actually. So I will stop my birth control because they put me back on birth control. And then I will stop my birth control on the 24th. And then I will have my first ultrasound the next week. And one more ultrasound to check my lining, and then I will be transferring again on October 16th, and that's 2 days before my son's birthday. So I will come back on Saturday, and then the next day will be Scotty's birthday. Anyway, so no school on Monday, and then I'm going to be uploading this video on Monday, so you guys will be seeing this on Monday. Let's see. I usually upload around 9:30ish is when I set it to upload. I'm going to use these big ass stickers here. Okay, and then I usually, or recently, have been doing my grocery run on Mondays because it's just hard because I would prefer to do pickup orders only, but then if they don't have what I want, a lot of the times the substitutions that they offer are like not what I want. So like this last grocery order, I asked for a like block of Parmesan cheese, and they didn't have the kind I use, which is weird, but I don't care. And so they offered me like pre-shredded Parmesan cheese. Like, what? If you cook at all, you know that pre-shredded cheese, it doesn't melt as well as shredding it fresh because the pre-shredded cheese has like a film of stuff on it to keep it preserved from the cheese so it doesn't go bad really quickly. And also, fresh Parmesan tastes like way better. And that film makes it so it doesn't melt as well. It gets kind of goopy, which is great for some melting, but you know. So I was really frustrated by that, and I needed Parmesan for a recipe, and there were a few other things that they just offered me crap substitutions. And I was like, all right, looks like I'm just going to need to go and get stuff myself. And so it kind of defeats the purpose of doing a pickup order if I still have to go in and Thanos it and just do it myself. So there's that. Okay, so then Scotty has his morning meetings for school are at 9:20 each day, and then he only has 2 other live classes after that, which is fantastic. See, I'm trying to think of which stickers to use for Taekwondo, because I like to use the same stickers the whole time, but I don't have enough of anything to do the same stickers every time, so we're just going to wing it. Okay, so we'll use these flag stickers for Scotty's Taekwondo. And then we'll use different stickers for Juliette's Taekwondo. So comparing this kit to last week's kit, it is coming off the paper so much easier than last week. Last week was rough. That was not coming off the paper for me, and it was so frustrating. Like, I felt like I was going to rip all of my stickers each time I was pulling them up, and luckily I didn't, because that would have been really tragic if I started ripping all of my stickers. Okay, so then let's grab, I have my Franny Lamb stickers, my custom stickers, Franny Lamb with Taekwondo on them, so we'll do Scotty's first. So if you hear clicking in the background, that is because my husband is in the family room playing. He caught the new Tony Hawk game yesterday, so he's over there playing that. And I'll be honest, after I'm done filming, I'm going to go play with him because, I don't know, did anyone else play the Tony Hawk games growing up? Like, I didn't play them a ton, but I played them quite a bit. And, of course, I was that child that turned on the cheat codes so that I never fell. Did anyone else do that? You know what? It's fine. I am grown up enough to admit that, yes, I had the cheat codes so that I could do whatever I want. It's always racked up a ton of points. I was always so good at it. That's because I cheated. So next thing I have is I actually am doing fantasy football again this year. So my mom's work is full of a bunch of gamblers, essentially. And they do fantasy football every year, and we always put money in a pot. And last year, they actually invited me to join for the first time because her work also they do we call it the pick pool. So it's essentially you pick the winners for football each week, and if you get the most right in a week, you win a weekly prize. And then the people who got the most right for the whole season also get money too. And 3 or 4 years ago, I kind of promoted myself to assistant commissioner. And so I was sending like weekly update emails to everyone, and it was so much fun. And so the guy who runs it emailed me and asked me, if we think we should continue the pick pool this year, because fantasy, there's only like 10, 11 of us. And, that's super easy to keep track of if the season gets canceled and we got to give everyone their money back. That's super easy to keep track of. But with the pick pool, there's like 80 to 85 people who join, and that's a ton of people, and that's a lot of money to try and keep track of for if they do cancel the season. So we decided together not to do the pick pool this year, which is like so disappointing. Man, that was something I looked forward to every year. I've been doing the pick pool with my mom's work for years now. I've been doing it for so long. And I feel so silly, but yeah, I did it for so long, and it was so much fun. But yeah, we're just not going to do it this year. It's disappointing, but it is what it is. We think it'll probably be the best. So on Wednesday, Scotty has his post-op appointment for getting his tonsils out. He is doing much better. It's been rough. He's still in, I wouldn't say like a lot of pain, but he's still in pain, and it's still kind of difficult. Like today, he was a bit more active, and towards the end of the day, like, God, that poor kid, he was just meltdown after meltdown. And I don't think it helped that he didn't sleep too well last night, because we got him a new mattress in anticipation for his new bed that is also coming on Wednesday. So I think just with the new mattress, he just didn't really sleep too well. Poor baby. So I'm going to be filming on Saturday, and I've been really liking filming on Saturdays. That's been really nice to just kind of get it done in the evening, and yeah. All right, and I'm using these big ass ones because I don't want to waste them, but I don't like them. It's fine, but I don't. We're going to edit here. I forgot to put in, Juliette has been doing preschool on Tuesdays with my friend, and that has actually been going super well. She has been loving it. I've been taking her and dropping her off around like 8:30ish is when I've been dropping her off. And yeah, she's been loving it. She's so cute. She's so eager to learn. And so, anytime they're starting something new, she's like game. She's like in it. She's ready to go. And that's so fun that she's been able to do that. And it's just nice for me too, because especially just helping Scotty with school. Like Friday, we did school from 9:20, and then we finished by 1:15, and we had a total of 50 minutes of break. And other than that, I was sitting with him, helping him, teaching him, doing the whole shebang, and kind of telling Juliette, like, okay, I'm sorry, I have to help brother, and it sucks. Like, I feel like crap when I have to shoo her off like that, but there's nothing else I can do. Like, he's in first grade. He needs a lot of one-on-one attention when they're having such short live meetings. And I'm fine with them having short live meetings because that was really hard for me to juggle before, but he's in first grade. He just needs a lot more help. So it's been a lot. So I'm putting this happy girl here for his bed delivery. He's going to flip out when he gets his new bed. We got him a bunk bed with the futon underneath. I actually had one when I was in high school. but it's a full on top. So it's going to be nice and big, and it's going to last him a crazy long time. But he is just going to die of happiness when that gets here. Okay, and then I like putting in a coffee girl. I'm going to put her on the day that he has his post-op appointment, because that's going to be early morning. Luckily, his post-op appointment is actually here in town, so that's nice and easy, but still. Okay, I'm going to put one of these Hamilton stickers over here because it's cute and I want to, and this is my planner. Okay, so I actually planned this out really quick. I really do love using the sticky notes. Like, that's so nice to be able to have those. It helps make planning much easier, especially when filming these videos, because I tend to forget about the things that happen like every week. So here it is before the pen. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to write everything out, and then I will be right back to kind of check in, and that will be it. Hello, back again. I forgot to put in here for school. Scotty is doing, what's it called? They're doing like map testing on this day. So I am now extremely glad that Juliette is not going to be here to distract him, so that we can, or so that he can really focus on doing his map testing. Standardized testing, man, like I am just, yeah, that's rough. And especially like as a first grader. Luckily, I don't even think he really knows that they're doing it. Like, they talked about it during his classes, but I don't think he actually like took it in. So I'm gonna have to talk to him about it. I don't want to like scare him or make him nervous or anything like that. But, you know, I need to make sure that he knows that that's what's happening. So anyway, there's that. Back to writing. Okay, here it is, all done and written in. It looks awesome. I love how this kit turned out. It's so pretty. But I'm just obsessed with purple, so this would have just been gorgeous to me no matter what. Yeah, so this is my week. If I reach 200 followers on Instagram this week, I will post information about the giveaway. I will be giving away one kit, and I will also be giving away a couple other things. I have an Erin Condren notebook. I have some Once More with Love stuff, and just a few, odds and ends just to kind of show my appreciation. And yeah, I'm really excited. Like, I'm really excited that, I might be close enough to be able to do a giveaway, which sounds so silly because 200 followers is not a lot of followers. But to me, it's very exciting. It's exciting that 200 people look at my stuff on Instagram, and it's exciting to me that 61 people have subscribed to my YouTube channel and actually want to watch these videos. It's very cool and exciting, and I'm really glad to get to share that with you. So if you are new to my channel, I am so glad you are here. Please subscribe so that you can see my videos of my plan with me's every week. I try to put out a bonus video on Thursdays, but it's just been kind of hard recently with how crazy things have been. But I'd like to get back on track with doing that. I'm trying to come up with ideas of more videos to do that are not 100% surrogacy related, because I know that's what most of my bonus videos have been, is they have been surrogacy related. But that's because that's a huge part of my life. So comment down below. Let me know kind of what you want to see from me. If there's a video in particular you'd like to see, just let me know. And I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.